In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check out a book on your Kindle or your iPhone or your Android device or your Chromebook using the Ipswich School Library webpage and our account through Overdrive. And you can check out ebooks and audiobooks. To get to the page I'm on right now that you're seeing, you go first to the school library, you go first to the middle school or the high school website and you click on Media Center. That takes you to this page here. And from here, you click eBooks Catalog where we are, and you can see there's over 6,400 titles available. You can check these out from home, from school, 24/7. So it's really great. The things that have headphones are audio. So if you're going on a trip and you want a book to listen to, that's a great thing to do. So click on here to sign in. And Sora's the interface that they use, and Sora's the app that you're going to download if you want to read a book on your phone or your personal device. If you're on a Chromebook at school, you can do it directly from that. So we are using the MLS Commonwealth ebook collection. So click on that. And from there, we're going to find Ipswich. Scroll down. Ipswich Middle and High School, that would be us. And log on with your Ipswich credentials. Whether you're at home or at school, same credentials. And so now you can see these are the 2 books I have checked out. You're allowed to have 3 books out at a time, and they return themselves after 2 weeks, so you'll never have an overdue book. You can also renew them when it gets close to them being ready to return themselves. So to search the available books, you can click on Explore, and you can kind of scroll through to see what you're looking for. If there's something they're featuring, they feature different things: Rick Riordan, Harry Potter, popular teen books. You can see that the headphones indicate it's a book you can listen to, and different genres. Okay, you can search for a book by title if you know the title. So I heard there was a book that has stars in the title that I'm interested in, and I can't remember the full title, so I'm just going to enter stars and see what there is. And this is a series I'm interested in, and I can borrow it and listen to a sample maybe first. So click on Listen to a Sample to see if you like the voice that you're hearing if you're checking out an audiobook. Stars Above by Marissa Meyer. And click here to listen to it to see if you like it.
Macmillan Audio presents Stars Above by Marissa Meyer. Read for you by Rebecca Soler. The Keeper. Michelle slid her fingertip across the port screen, flipping through the album of photos her granddaughter had sent that morning. Luke had taken Scarlett to see the ruins of the Musée du Louvre, and Scarlett had taken dozens of pictures of the crumbling statues and still standing wreckage.
Okay, so I've listened to enough of it to know this is a series I've been reading, so I know I'm interested. I like the narrator's voice. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to check it out. So click Borrow right here. And now that book is a book that I can listen to on my own device wherever I am. So I'm going on a car trip this weekend, and that's pretty cool. I can bring that in and connect with my Bluetooth and listen to this in the car while I'm driving. So that's cool. And you can do the same thing with a book as well. Also, you get little achievements when you've been listening to lots of things, like this thing that just popped up. Okay, so that's a little bit about how to borrow an audiobook. Same way for a print book, just click the borrow button. And if you need help or you have questions, stop by the library and I'd be happy to help you. Mrs. Chang or Ms. Hammond can help you if she's there and I'm not.